Almost Outdoors. This is my version of the 10 million subscriber burger. Gordon Ramsay put out a 10 million subscriber burger video that he made, and I was just, trolling through YouTube, and I saw it. I was like, that looks like a pretty cool burger to make, so I figured I'd try to make that burger, and this is my version of his 10 million subscriber burger. So first we're going to start with our burgers. Pre-pattied those, and actually froze butter, and then we put some of the butter that was frozen into those. We have your mushrooms, which I'm going to actually fry an egg inside of these. Arugula, tomatoes, Swiss cheese, garlic powder, salt, pepper, olive oil, some other butter you can put on the burgers. We have your brioche buns, very good buns, high quality burger buns. We have bacon, and then last but not least we have a mayonnaise sriracha mixture, 2/3 mayonnaise, 1/3 sriracha. So we're going to do all that up and see how it pans out. First we're going to get started with our burgers. The less you flip these the better, because you don't want them to fall apart. So we're actually going to season those with a little pepper. We put them all out here and do that. I'll just season these two on the plate. I'll season the other side once we get the grill in here. A little bit of salt. A little bit of garlic powder. Douse a little bit with that. Alright. Alright, so you want your grill about, about a medium heat. We're going to douse these with a little bit of olive oil right on top of them. Just like so. And then we're going to toss them on. The less you flip the better, because they will fall apart. We're just going to center these right there. Put them all right around central heat, or wherever your hottest spot is. Try to keep them together. Alright. Now that those are cooking, we're going to get to the mushrooms. Same thing with the mushrooms. We're just going to give it a little bit of salt, some pepper, and just a touch of garlic powder. Give those a nice little drizzle. Front and back. Alright. So that's that. While those are cooking, we're going to toss those on. We're going to toss them face down. Just like so. Got one on each side. Those are cooking. Just let them go for a nice while. They'll sear for a little bit. And now we're going to start on our buns. Next we're going to go ahead and season our buns up here. Just put a little butter on there. That one's nice there. A little bit of butter on the buns. Again, these are brioche buns, so they're really, really good. Alright, so we're going to just toss these up on top here. Let them do their thing. They're looking real nice. Now we're going to get to our bacon. We're actually going to toss our bacon on. It's time for a tea break. Come on, new Almost Outdoors Yeti cup.
It's not new. That was a Christmas present.
That's true. Alright. So we're just going to give these a little flip here. Check them out. Everything's looking nice on those. We're going to need a little while. Got our mushrooms. They're looking good. Everything's doing what it should. Don't forget to throw 2 hot dogs on for the daughter. Like so. Now we sit here and we wait a little bit for our buns to get ready, and then we will prep our buns with our mayonnaise sriracha sauce. And we'll season that with a little salt. We also have arugula, down here, and some tomatoes we'll be putting on there. Also be topping the burgers with some Swiss cheese. Now we wait. It is a waiting game. We'll be right back after these messages.
Hi, what you doing? Are you watching Mary Poppins?
Hey, you've heard them.
Say Mary Poppins.
It's Mary Poppins. There's this one down here. I'm not getting it. Don't.
Mommy, today I
Take your binky out. What do you want? Say it again.
go beach
You want to go to the beach? After dinner? Well, maybe not this weekend. Couple more weeks. Later. Later.
go work.
Well, yeah, we all have to go to work for a few more days.
What days?
Couple days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Papa, not Linda.
No. So we've got one thing in our video that Gordon Ramsay didn't have in his, and that's an absolutely adorable 2.5-year-old.
I think that's the truth, Ruth.
What?
Alright, so we're going to take our buns off. Everything's looking like it should. Nice toasted buns there. They're a little warm. Close the lid on that. We're going to take our mayonnaise sriracha. Give it a nice heaping pile on there.
A little less on mine than on yours, please.
Alright. So that's going to take that to a whole nother level. That's going to be real nice. That'll be hers. And we're going to put some on the top too. Just to give it a little bit of... Probably should have put my arugula on, which I shall do right now. I'm going to put a little bit of that on there. I'll steal some from that one. Take these down there. Now, my wife doesn't like tomatoes, so I'm going to put some tomatoes on mine. Look how gorgeous that's looking. Real nice. We're going to check on this stuff. Give it another flip and we'll let it sit. Don't be afraid of a little bit of flame. It won't hurt you. Just a little hot. Look how gorgeous the mushrooms are looking. Very gingery. Oop, lost that one. Grab me another egg, please.
Hold on, let me get you cracking this one.
Oh! Lord. What? This isn't as easy as it looks. Son of a gun. So that was not quite panning out like I wanted.
Not quite.
These burgers are done. Set them in the back. Alright, so I took the bacon off in the midst of having issues with the eggs. We did get some egg on the mushroom, so it's going to be on there. Gordon Ramsay would be very mad with the job that I did. But we chopped our bacon up. Extra crispy bacon. We're going to throw some of that on here. Right on the bottom there. I don't remember the order that he did it, but this is how I'm doing it. Bacon on your burger. Now it's time for the cheese on the burgers while the egg is cooking.
Well, if the mushroom and egg doesn't work out, we'll have some banging bacon cheeseburgers with sriracha mayonnaise.
Exactly.
Minus the mushroom and the egg.
Exactly.
So, win-win either way.
It's a win. I'm not going to mark this up as a fail. This is totally a burger win. I mean, look how gorgeous that thing looks. I mean, you don't get much better than that. We're going to toss the rest of the bacon on there. Presentation's terrible. Let that do its thing. Roll over a hot dog for the girl. These particular leftover ones are finished. Place them up there. Let them stay. The mushrooms finished cooking with a little bit of egg that we have on it. We're gonna be good to go. So everything's done. We're gonna take our half-done kind of mushroom thingies that I got part of the egg on. Just, you know, rookie mistake. Which one would you like? This one or that one?
Doesn't matter.
Give me this one. Check that out. Check that out. And that right there is how you do a 10 million subscriber burger, courtesy of Gordon Ramsay's YouTube channel. Thank y'all for watching this episode of Almost Outdoors. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to let me know what you think of the burger if you cook it yourself. Good luck, because I got yolk all over the place. See ya!